Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the Crown Sporting Goods official referee hat, hands down, the best football referee hat you'll find. Whether you're a football referee, umpire, judge, or linesman, this hat is designed to give you that professional look and functionality you need to make those tough calls on the field. Let's start with the design. This is a classic black cap with white stripes, just like the ones you see on the field for football and basketball referees at all levels. The hat features 6 panels with crisp white piping along the seams, which not only gives it that professional vibe but also adds durability and style. The black and white design complements your uniform perfectly, giving you that official referee look. One of the best things about this hat is its fit. It's made from a combination of spandex and polyester, which provides a comfortable stretch, making it one size fits most. No need to worry about sizing issues. This adjustable hat features a strap to ensure you get a secure fit, so it stays in place during the most intense moments of the game. Durability is another important feature. This hat is built to last. It's designed with a practical hand-washable fabric, so you can keep it looking fresh and clean after every game. Whether you're out in the sun for hours or caught in a rainstorm, this hat will hold up. Now, if you're in the market for a quality referee hat that checks all the boxes, style, comfort, and durability, this Crown Sporting Goods cap is definitely a top contender. It's perfect for referees in all sports, not just football, and can even work for costumes and fan gear. Whether you're an experienced official or just starting out, this hat will help you look the part and feel confident when you're making that call. So, if you're ready to step onto the field with authority, this official referee hat from Crown Sporting Goods is the perfect addition to your uniform. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.